Welcome to LiteHawk. Today, we're going to be looking at the all-new LiteHawk ACE. Pure off-road fun in the form of radical chassis design, advanced components, and outrageous suspension travel. Everything about the LiteHawk ACE screams off-road performance. Just look at it. ACE is fully equipped with advanced suspension geometry, full roll cage, massive off-road tyres, and functioning LED light bars. Whatever terrain you encounter, this is the vehicle you're going to want in your garage. Whether you're rock crawling or blasting across sand dunes, ACE will bring a smile to even the most jaded off-road enthusiast. ACE's incredible articulating rear suspension allows for constant contact with the ground. True 4-link rear suspension and slider rear driveshaft means you have traction and control when you need it. This, coupled with powerful all-wheel drive, gives ACE an impressive level of performance. Inboard cantilevered front shock absorbers give optimal steering performance on all terrain types. Under the body, ACE is even more impressive. ACE features a neutral centre of gravity thanks to weights placed around the chassis to counterbalance key components such as the engine and electronics. When ACE hits big bumps, you can count on it to respond to mid-air throttle adjustments. Aluminium and other high-quality metal parts ensure that ACE will be rugged and durable enough to not only launch from jumps, but to land them too. In the event of a serious crash, LiteHawk Parts and Tech has your back. Online support and replacement parts will have your LiteHawk back in action in no time. The LiteHawk ACE is available now. Start your off-road adventures today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to LiteHawk contests and giveaways. Thanks for watching and welcome to the world of LiteHawk.